Can someone lead a prayer? Isabella?
Let us bow our head to our present Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Please be seated. So, I will be checking the attendance. Say present if you're here. Kenneth Santiago,
Present, sir.
Jacob,
Absent.
sir.
Christine Laura Dabela,
Present.
Aiza Samindi,
Present.
Kenneth Santiago,
Present.
Cuevas.
Present, sir.
Okay, very good. Before we proceed in our proper discussion, can anyone tell me what was our topic yesterday?
Sir,
Miss Amindi?
our topic class yesterday, it's all about the communicating.
Okay, communicating. Can anyone tell me what is the definition or meaning of communication?
Sir,
Miss Cuevas?
communication is about transmitting information to from one person to another.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I have something to show you to relate our topic today. Are you guys ready?
Yes,
Okay. So, what can you say about these pictures?
Sir,
Miss Cuevas?
sir, the girl is waving its hand.
Oh, that's good. Anyone?
Sir, the girl is speaking.
Okay. Anyone? Have an idea?
The girl is shouting.
Okay, that's good. So, this is what we call a communication. So, our topic today is all about non-verbal and verbal communication. Verbal communication is a way of communicating by using words or sounds or anything that can express your thoughts with words. While non-verbal communication is using gestures, facial expressions, body movements, and it is not using words. Okay. Can anyone give me an example of non-verbal and verbal communication?
Sir,
Yes.
for verbal communication is like hi, while the non-verbal communication is like this. I'm just waving my hands.
Okay, so that's very good. That's correct. So, anyone? Does anyone have any other idea?
Sir,
Yes.
for verbal communication, we have the public speaking, and for non-verbal communication, we have the sign language.
Okay. Your answer is correct. How about Miss Loren? I want you to give your own insights about what is non-verbal and verbal communication.
My insights about verbal is use of words. Basically, you hear a voice. Meanwhile, in non-verbal, you can't use a voice but using body language, gesture, or sign language.
Precisely. It's correct. Okay, can you one who would like to sum up our topic of non-verbal and verbal communication?
Sir,
Oh, yes.
so the non-verbal, it's all about the using our hand gestures, and the verbal, is using a sound to communicate to others.
Yes, very good. So, all your answers are correct. So, since you already mastered about the verbal and non-verbal of communication, I want you to group yourselves into two and to perform a non-verbal and verbal communication. I want you to group yourselves into two, and Miss Christine Loret Abela and Miss Aiza Samidi will be the group 1, and Miss Cuevas and Miss Santiago will be the group 2. So, you will be performing or to act a scenario about the non-verbal and verbal of communication. So the group of Abella is for verbal communication. On the other hand, Miss Cuevas group is to act the non-verbal communication. So I will give you 5 minutes to prepare. Are you guys ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Okay, video na sila tayo katubo dyan, practice.
Example, like, you are the one who stand and I am the...
No, but
Wait, was it? I was the one who approached you.
Yeah, but... And you explain, okay?
Yes.
Like, for example,
Okay na natin. Goods na. I hope you're ready. Ready?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's have the group 1 to perform.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, me and Miss Samindi are going to perform a verbal communication. It goes like this. Oh, Miss Samindi,
Oh,
how are you
hello.
been? How are you?
I am fine. It's been a while.
Me too. I truly miss you. It's been a long, long time. And that is the example of verbal communication.
That would be all.
Okay, next group.
Kami mas kabila. Hindi ko sinabi ready. 1, 2, 3.
That was an example of nonverbal communication. It's a communication by using gestures or body language. Thank you.
Okay. So, let's clap our hands together. Okay. Wonderful performance you have. I want you to clap your hands because you did it well. I've seen your efforts. Very good job. Since we already done with your performance, I want you to get one whole sheet of paper and write an essay about the difference between the verbal and non-verbal of communication. I will give you 5 minutes to finish your work.
Anyone who will.
Natin. Nakasunod eh.
Verbal is the use of words. What exactly are you trying to say? Verbal is the using of words.
Tapos na. Highlight lang to. Ball pens up. Finish or not finish, pass your paper forward. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation, class. For assignment, I want you to write a essay or reflection about what did you learn in this experience of the verbal and non-verbal of communication. And pass it next week. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye and thank you, sir.
Okay, dismiss.
Yay!
Oh, yun. Isabi mo yun. Tama na. Thank you. Wait lang.